Mauchline Manor was built by Frank Gifford Talman in 1916. The architect Wilson Eyre was the Frank Lloyd Wright of his time. This house was actually, we learned, the headquarters for the US Navy during World War II for the state of Delaware. After the house had been vacant for 15 plus years, my wife Cheryl and I bought the house to restore it and bring it back to its former glory.
When we came here, what the roof had was an asphalt shingle that just did not go with the roof. We wanted to bring back the look of the home when it was originally built. I think Brava was a good fit for this particular project for the look that we were going for.
The color variations, the profile, along with the copper details, I think is going to produce a finished product that will stop traffic.
I'm honored to add my little grain of salt to bringing back the mansion to its original glory.